today I'm going to replace this windshield wiper. This is Toyota Camry 2018 model. You cannot simply pull it out. Even if you pull it out, this one is blocking, so it's difficult. So the way you have to do it, first go into the car, and then the first thing you have to do is just press this power button. You have to get into the igniter mode and push this one, the wiper one, for 3 seconds upward. Okay, that's all you have to do it. And once you do it, then the wiper comes straight and it allows you to change the wiper. So let's go to there. And here's my helper. So once it is done, all you have to do is just take this one out. Now you should be able to pull it out. And if it is difficult, then this could be a tool. Use this one. And all you have to do is just slide it down and rotate it. Oh, okay, you see? I slide it out, and this is my new one. The new one, that's how it looks like. All you have to do is just pull this one downward. Okay? Once you do, then there's a hook here. This hook. You see? That's how it looks like. And you have to up and then slide it down. Okay? And then snap it. Maybe you have to use a little bit of force. Okay, now that's good. Okay, so let's start the car again. Yeah, that's working perfectly fine. Yay! We did it. Say yay!